Welcome to another one session of digital electronics. Today's session we will discuss about successive approximation type ADC. In our previous session we have discussed about flash type ADC and counter based ADC. Those ADCs even it was simple in construction and the conversion time was very less, but the major disadvantage of the ADC was the number of hardware requirement was very high. More number of hardwares was required. Today's session we will discuss about successive approximation type ADC. In our previous ADC, the number of conversion cycles was 2 to the power n. Specifically in successive approximation ADC, here the number of cycles is reduced from 2 to the power n to only n number of cycles. How it will work? Let's see. So the major components of successive approximation type ADCs are a comparator. Instead of simple register, we will use successive approximation register, digital to analog converter, and for operating the successive approximation register, we need a start of conversion signal and end of conversion signal. So the principle of operation is similar to the binary search. Suppose we are searching for a number, here we have given input voltage, that is V in a sorted list. Now what we will do, here we look into the middle of the list effectively, and the size of the list will be reduced to half. How it will occur we will see in our next slide. And the modification required for this kind of ADC, we need a successive approximation register as we have seen in our block diagram. And for example, we will take 4-bit input and we will see how it works. The basic principle of this type of ADC is to convert unknown analog input voltage to an approximated n-bit digital value. As we have seen in our block diagram, here it's a 4-bit register. So first bit, second bit, third bit, and this is a fourth bit. So by default, it is programmed in such a way that the successive approximation register, it will produce an output MSB is equal to 1, and all other bits including the LSB, it will be 0. So whatever be the analog input, the output of the DAC, that is the input provided by the successive approximation register, will be given to the comparator, and the comparison process will continue unless and until the output of the comparator becomes 0. Once the comparator output equals to 0, here one end of conversion signal will be generated, and further the comparison process and will be stopped. Now suppose our analog input is equal to, let it be let our analog input voltage is equal to 11 volt, and as I told, by default the digital value which is produced by the successive approximation register, that is equal to MSB will be equals to 1 and all other bits will be equals to 0. So if I will find the decimal value of this binary number, it will be equal to 8 volt. So according to our working principle and design of the circuit, the analog value, that is 11 volt, will be compared with the digital value, that is equals to 8 volt. And we can see the analog value is higher than the digital value. So what will happen, the successive approximation register, it will keep the MSB as it is. It will change the next bit which is next to MSB as from 0 to, it will change into 1, and other 2 bits will remain as it is. So here the digital value which is generated by the successive approximation register, that is equal to 1100, and if I will find the equivalent decimal value, that is equal to 12 volt. And as we can see here, the analog value was 11 volt, but the digital value which is produced, that is equal to 12 volt. Now this 12 volt will be compared with the comparator, and we can see 11 volt, again it is higher than the digital value. I mean the analog value is still, it is lower than the digital value. So further this approximation process will continue. So in this case, according to the principle, when the digital value is higher than the analog value, so what will happen, this MSB, it will become 0, and the next bit to it will become 1. So we can see the next process, VD equals to 10 volt, and this bit will be equal to 0, and the next bit will be equal to 1. So the successive approximation register will produce an output which is equal to 1 0 1 0. If you find the equivalent decimal number, it will be equal to 10 volt. So now you can see the digital value is lower than the analog value. So this process will further continue. So digital value is lower than the analog value. Now the MSB is retained to 1, and again the last bit is set to 1. So what will happen? It was previously 1 0 1 0. So the successive approximation register, since the digital value is lower, so all these 3 bit it will retain as 0, but the last bit it will change into 1. So it will become 1 0 1 1. And if I find the equivalent decimal number, that will be equal to 11. So now the digital value is exactly equal with the analog value. So the comparator output becomes 0, and according to our construction and block diagram, here one end of conversion signal will be generated. So the process of conversion and the process of producing the output will stop, and here we will get the exact digital value which corresponds to the analog input. So this is a basic process by which the conversion starts. So if you look into the conversion process, first the successive approximation register will produce input where the MSB equals to 1 and all other bits as 0, and it will be compared with the analog value. If that value, analog value, is higher than the digital value, so it will go in upward direction. As I told, according to the rule, the MSB will retain as 1, and the next bit will be changed from 0 to 1. Again the conversion will continue, and if this digital value is still less than the analog value, so what will happen, it will come in this direction. If it is more, then it will go in this direction, and if it is less, it will come in this direction. So if the digital value is less, so successive approximation register, it will retain the first 2 bit as it is, and the next lower bit it will change to higher. So it will become 1 1 1 and 0. And if the digital value is lower than the analog value, so what it will do, higher than the analog value, so what it will do, it will change the bit which is next to the MSB. So in this process, the analog value is converted into equivalent digital value. Thank you.